Figure it out.
I know, it might be will go in the water this way.
Test that one for strength, that big one that your hand is on. See if you can break it. If you can't break it, then it's good. Okay.
Oh, which one? Look. Huge. Huge. Whoa! This one's super long, full of leaves. See? Oh! You showed me a way. So I have to go that way. Ow. I can't reach over there. Whoa, 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 whoa! I can't reach. I can't reach. I can't reach.
Oh, you can figure out a way.
Okay.
I bet maybe you should use that one that I tried. See that one down there? Maybe that one would help.
I can't really get down. I need help.
Oh, there you go. Crawl with your knees on top of it.
It broke a little bit. Nope, it won't work.
There's got to be a way. Whoa. Probably if you come down like I did over there, then climb back up. I don't know. See, I bet you there's a perfect foot spot right here.
Well, guess what? I can't go there. Look, I tried to go over there. I can't.
Okay, run across this one.
Run?
Well, if you run, then you won't have time to fall. If you try and balance slowly, then you might fall.
I was on and trying to walk slowly, then jump.
Nice.